Bushcraft survival knife is made for the sudden challenges a true outdoor enthusiast encounters. A heavy-duty knife with multifunctional features. The 3.2mm thick blade is made of Swedish stainless steel, and the spine is ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with the fire starter that is integrated in the sheath. Keep your knife sharp with a diamond sharpener that is attached to the sheath. This knife is your ultimate tool for survival.
This is the StrongArm Fine Edge fixed blade knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high carbon fine edge blade for strength and durability. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped-together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm fixed blade knife.
The Morakniv Bushcraft Survival Black Sea is a heavy-duty knife with multifunctional features. The spine is ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with the fire starter that is integrated in the sheath. The 3.2mm thick blade is made of carbon steel and has a DLC coating that to some extent protects against rust. Keep in mind though that carbon steel needs to be maintained, so make it a habit to wipe your knife and oil the blade after using it. Keep your knife sharp with a diamond sharpener that is attached to the sheath.
This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9. The SCHF9 sports a durable, fine-edge fixed blade that is crafted from 1095 high-carbon steel. A favorite of survivalists and bushcrafters for its strength and ability to hold a razor-sharp edge. The blade is a 1/4 inch thick, coated with wear and water-resistant PTFE. Boasting a full tang running the entire length of the knife, it ends in a lanyard hole at the base of the handle, making the SCHF9 a stout and trustworthy blade you can depend on in the field. The knife is carried in a ballistic nylon sheath and is secured with an adjustable strap and snap system. On the front, there's a handy removable pouch for everyday carry survival gear, and a lanyard for use as emergency cordage or to lash the sheath bottom to your thigh. Carry options include a hook and loop flap system that allows you to wear the sheath without removing your belt, and MOLLE-compatible straps for attaching it to gear. The thick rubberized TPE handle grip makes the SCHF9 comfortable to use for extended periods and in poor weather conditions. The drop point blade design forms an extra strong tip for piercing, poking, and fine cutting. The sharp contoured edge is crafted to maximize every chop and cut, and the exposed tang at the base of the handle makes a tough tool for pounding and crushing. Designed for reliable everyday performance, crafted from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade Extreme Survival Knife SCHF9.
Today at CRKT, I'll be walking you through the new Terzola Survival Rescue Knife, the TSR. This is a useful fixed blade knife with sheath survival system that includes life-saving extras built right into the handle and sheath. Designed by legendary custom knife maker Bob Terzola, the meat and potatoes of this survival knife system is the classic drop-point fixed blade with a satin finish. The blade is 4.4 inches long. The total knife length comes in at 9.25, a substantial pattern designed for outdoor survival. What really sets this system apart is the sheath and the hollow space inside the knife handle. They're packed with survivalist extras. First off, the tough glass-reinforced nylon handle you can actually take apart by turning this oversized flathead screw here. Big enough to be moved with a simple screwdriver, or in a survival situation, a flat skipping rock, anything you can find, a penny, small coin, would also work. Inside the handle you'll find fishing line, fishing hooks, 2 needles, and dental floss, which can be surprisingly handy when the options are scarce. The whole board at the base of the blade can be lashed to the end of a wooden stick to become a spear. Bob really included everything here for survivalists. Now, the sheath features: a ceramic sharpening edge on one side, a magnesium fire starter edge on the other side, and the sheath includes a reflective signal plate in case there's an opportunity for you to make contact with a passing search plane or search party across the ridgeline. The clip on the sheath keeps it close at hand, and with plenty of holes here, it's versatile and you can strap it to any pack or gear or wear it in a variety of ways. The overall weight checks in at 4.3 ounces, that's 122 grams. Join our social media community, use hashtag Confidence in Hand. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing to carry CRKT Knives and Tools.
This is the Schrade SCHF-24 Tactical Survival Knife. This full-tang knife is bathed in a stone-washed finish, lending a rugged vintage appearance in keeping with its stealthy black color. Bearing a 3.4-inch clip-point fine-edged blade, the SCH-24 is ready for action right out of the box. Constructed from 8CR13 Movi high-carbon stainless steel, this general utility knife is reliable and rock solid. Pierce, poke, and drill with the tough tip. The fine edge of the upswept blade is perfect for slicing and cutting, and jimping on the spine adds stability when applying downforce. A contoured handle with black notched and patterned G10 handle slabs and thoughtfully positioned finger notches make for a sure grip, regardless of weather conditions. And the exposed tang transforms the knife into a sturdy breaking and crushing tool. The lanyard hole at the base of the handle lets you keep the SCHF-24 close at hand by tethering the knife to your wrist with cordage. Multiple carry options are made possible via the versatile Kydex thermoplastic belt sheath. A friction grip holds the knife in place. The sheath accommodates alternate carrying positions, including pocket or pouch. Remove the belt carry loop and use the 4 reinforced grommet holes for lashing the knife to gear. Designed for outdoor and tactical use, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF-24 Tactical Survival Knife.